Good afternoon, students. Mr. Daniels here again from science class. Green and purple representing, go Warhawks. Here to talk about flammability. Flammability is a type of chemical reaction. Of course, we should know by now, a chemical reaction is a process that involves the rearrangement of the molecular or ionic structure of a substance. Basically, when you mix two chemicals together to make one new one, is chemical reaction. In particular, today we're going to talk about flammability. Flammability in particular is the ability of a chemical to burn or ignite, causing a fire or what we call combustion. Okay? And this involves two different types of molecules. Today we're going to look at the flammability of different products that you see in the stores. In particular, carbon choke cleaner, lighter fluid, I have some gasoline. Get that out of here. Kerosene and diesel fuel. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at how much faster some things ignite than others. So we're going to start with lighter fluid. So what you're looking at is how much faster some things catch fire than others. So we'll first start with our lighter fluid. Whenever using lighter fluid in barbecuing, you want to make sure that you hold this far away from the grill because the flames could shoot back into there and this could bust in your hand. So let's drench it real good. And look at the flammability of lighter fluid. It has an easy, steady burn, doesn't burn very fast, has its own little pace. So this is how fast lighter fluid burns. And so the chemical reaction would simply be the fact that we now have fire once we added it to the ignited chemical, and this is what we call a combustion. You know a chemical reaction is taking place anytime you can observe smoke. So that's one thing that lets us know a chemical reaction is going on. Other things that are flammable, so like this gum out, is flammable. This can cause a chemical reaction like so. So you want to be careful when using this. This is used to help start cars, and that's why it's used, because it helps to start a combustion, because that's what a motor is. It's a lot of combustion going on inside of a motor. So what you just saw just then is the kind of reaction that it would take place inside your car engine. Okay, so this had a pretty, and see, this is another example of radiation. As you remember, this cotton ball wasn't on fire, but the radiation from this heat ignited this.